Right, then some football. Wilbury Wolf, who signed on as a player during the January window, won his first match in his second game as interim coach of Spanish Town Police following the sacking of O'Neill Bigger Thompson recently. Spanish Town Police recorded only their 6th win of the season after their 1-0 win over Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA in their rescheduled Rain for Jamaica Premier League match at Lakes Field on Thursday. Raheem Gale scored brilliantly in the second minute of play, give them the win. Mount Pleasant striker Warner Brown had a goal disallowed. Spanish Town Police remain rooted at the foot of the table on 23 points.
This game we show up, next game we don't show up, and we're playing patches. I think today we play more consistently, discipline, and hence the result. It's just another 3 points. We just need to get as much 3 points as possible. We just move on to the next game. This is water under the bridge. Yes, it's a big 3 points, but it's water on the beach for me and the team. We just have to look forward for the next game.
Spanish Town Police have played mostly on the road, and Wolf says it has affected the team, and for the remainder of the league, they're hoping to play at Royal Lakes.
I think that's something that we're working on. The management staff is trying to get all our games here. I guess it's something with the league that they have double headers where we have to always play away. But we're trying our best to get all our home games here because that's an advantage for the team as well.
Mount Pleasant FA remain in second in the standings on 56 points.
First, I have to congratulate the Spanish Town team. I think they were more hungrier. You know, they fight, they win the 1v1 battle. You know, they were very stout in defense, hard to break down. So it was as simple that.